Ulinzi Warriors fought back to win Game 3 of the best-of-5 series of the KBF playoff semi-final against Thunder, taking the 5-game series to Game 4 on Sunday. This as Sneha Kotecha sealed her third ITF Junior title, winning the final at Nairobi Club. Details in our sports roundup.
Seven-time champions Ulinzi Warriors redeemed themselves with a nervy 93-91 win over Thunder in the ongoing Kenya Basketball Federation semi-final playoffs to take the 5-game series to Game 4. Thunder, who lost a chance to wrap up the series with a third straight win, now lead 2-1. In the second semi-final, defending champions KPA benefited from home advantage to comfortably beat Strathmore Blades 66-42 to lead the series 2-1. Game 4 will be on Sunday. Kenya Ports Authority went down to hosts Ferroviario, who outclassed them 73-40 to deny them a semi-final slot at this year's FIBA Africa Women's Champions Cup in Maputo, Zambia. KPA will play Forced Arms Police from Cameroon in a classification match tonight to determine teams ranking from position 5 to 8. Meanwhile, Equity Bank's Hawks finished 9th after seeing off Zimbabwe's Lakers 65-54 in their classification match. Kenya's Sneha Kotecha withstood a 3-set battle of nerves to beat South Africa's Laura van der Merwe and complete a hat-trick of victories in the ITF East Africa Junior Circuit 18 and under at the Nairobi Club. However, luck wasn't on Albert Njogu's side as he lost to Rotislav Galfinger from Kazakhstan in straight sets in the boys' final. Next up is the current Open Championships serving off on Monday. In hockey, Strathmore University beat Parklands 4-1 to maintain their hopes of a third-place finish in the Men's Premier League in a match played at the City Park grounds. This as Sliders and Jayquat played out to a 1-1 draw in the Women's Premier League. Kabarak University beat Mombasa Sports Club by a solitary goal in the Men's Super League, while Daystar University educated Karate Axiom 4-1 in the Men's National League. Sunday will see Kenya Police seek to maintain their chase for the Premier League title when they face a sick Union.